Welcome to Meditation Monday. This is the Meditation for Beginners series. Today we will do a 10 minutes mindfulness meditation where you will focus on the nature sounds around you, tuning in to each sound you hear and observe them. Mindfulness is all about observing and becoming aware of your body and aware of your surroundings, experiencing life in a new way, living in the present moment and embracing each second of your life. So close your eyes and take a deep breath. Breathe in relaxation and breathe out stress and tension. Allow yourself to be completely relaxed and calm. Now focus on the sounds around you, the soft sound of nature. What do you hear? Focus on one sound at a time and make that one sound your entire universe. Do not judge or analyze the sound, but simply observe it. Observe it like you have never heard a sound like that in your entire life. It is completely new to you. You simply take in the sound and let it become your center and the one thing that keeps you grounded and connected to the present moment. This is the only thing that exists. You exist in this moment, not in the past and not in the future. So embrace the present and commit to the present. Now that you have experienced this one sound, tune into another sound and once again make it your entire universe. curious and with an open mind. Be a child and experience this new sound. Simply observe the sound and make the sound your focus. Let the sound keep you in this present moment, connected to reality and connected to your true self, the self that exists in this time and the self that experiences things in the present. See the world with new eyes, the eyes of a child, with an open mind and fully aware of everything around you. No more will you walk around in your own little bubble, going through life on autopilot, ignoring the beautiful nature that surrounds you. No more will you take life for granted, as each minute and second is truly precious, and every creation on this planet is a masterpiece. So experience life with new eyes, open eyes, and aware eyes. Now take a long deep breath and then open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe to stay updated, and then I will see you in the next video. Namaste.